exercise is perfect. This is for those people that have a layer of fat, cannot see their abs whatsoever, and want to. If that is the goal, you shouldn't be doing all these ab exercises as your first choice with your time. For example, you're going to spend half an hour doing those exercises and look at the exercise by the elliptical, or if you did plyometrics, you know, burpees, the rope.
First things first, I'ma say all the words inside my head. I'm fired up and tired of the way that things have been. Oh, ooh, the way that things have been. Oh, ooh. Second thing, second, don't you tell me what you think that I can be. I'm the one at the sail, I'm the master of my sea. Oh, ooh.